Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Motorbike. Today I am going to show you how to check tire pressure. In this video you can see there is a pen on my hand. This is actually a tire pressure gauge. You can find this in AliExpress or the local e-commerce site in your country. It will cost you more or less than $2 $2. All you have to do is take your pen like this to your tire, connect the hole of the pen, top of the pen to the valve of your tire and push firmly, and then you can see the white plastic will appear from inside of the tire gauge, and it will show you the reading of the tire's pressure. Let me focus. We can see the tire reading showing in PSI and KPA. The tire is 25 in PSI and 175 in KPA. This was the pressure of the tire. This was all from today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Tada, take care.